Hello, I'm Janna. I'm leading the product team in SteerAI. We're a provider of autonomous technology. You can see here behind me our self-driving buggy or a multi-purpose utility vehicle. You can see the buggy with our sensors, with cameras, LiDARs, our compute, and of course the software, which makes it drive completely autonomously in the most challenging terrains. The use cases are various. You can imagine in defense, a convoy of these vehicles driving to remote areas for resupply or any other purposes, removing the drivers from the harm's way. We're very excited to be here in Mobility Live.